You're good.
I was rolling a little bit.
Huh?
I was rolling a little bit.
No, like you stopped past the stop sign. So the stop sign is right here. Your car was like way up here. You got to stop behind it.
I'm sorry. I'm looking for my dog.
Your dog? You lost your dog?
Today's video is going to show a person who was arrested for illegally carrying a concealed firearm. Whenever I post one of these videos, I see the same comment over and over again. Ohio is a constitutional carry state. Why did the officers grab that person as soon as they saw a gun? Today, I will provide you with the law as it is written in Ohio to help you understand. Under the Ohio Revised Code 2923.12, Section B1, if the person is stopped for a law enforcement purpose and is carrying a concealed handgun, before or at the time a law enforcement officer asks if the person is carrying a concealed handgun, knowingly fail to disclose that the person is carrying a concealed handgun. What this means is, if you're carrying a gun and an officer asks you, you must answer that question truthfully. Failing to do so is a crime under the ORC. Under ORC 2923.111, Section A2A, a qualifying adult means a person who is 21 years of age or older. This means, in order to carry a concealed handgun, you must be 21 years or older. In this video, you're going to see a person who is not an adult for the purpose of this section of the law, who does not answer the question truthfully when they are asked if they are carrying a firearm.
This car right here is slower on this alley.
Yeah,
when he went to change, he found out he was stabbed in the shoulder.
That's yeah, this car's.
Oh, there it
Run for us. King Ida Henry 9808. It's a female black driving. I'm stopping it. I'm stopping it regardless. It's a female driving. She's like creeping in these alleys, and we got it. Alright, Aberdeen. Nope, she's not there.
DK, I'm coming from like Cleveland and Hudson.
Just a big loop. Dresden and Manchester.
2-3.
2-3.
10-6, Dresden and Manchester, south of King Ida Henry 9808. This stop is not related to that house.
Dresden, Manchester.
Can you roll on this back window for me, please?
You said the back window?
Yep. Dark, I can't even see in it. The reason I'm stopping you is because right there, that stop sign, you didn't stop behind the stop sign. You like pulled in the intersection.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're good.
I was rolling a little bit.
Huh?
I was rolling a little bit.
No, like you stopped past the stop sign. So the stop sign is right here. Your car was like way up here. You got to stop behind it.
I'm sorry. I'm looking for my dog.
Your dog? You lost your dog?
I know.
Okay. Where are you guys from?
I'm from Linden.
How's your dog end up in Linden?
Because he's with my uncle and he's supposed to be watching him. And he's
Gotcha.
gonna run away.
Okay.
I can't have a dog at my apartment.
Gotcha. Are you the owner of the vehicle? Okay. Any weapons in the vehicle? With the new law, we have to ask because some people are allowed to carry. Okay. Any weed, anything like that that we need to know about? All right. Where's your driver's license at?
I can take my purse?
Yeah, go ahead.
I think I left it on the counter, but I have a picture on my license.
What is do you have a gun in your purse? Any weapons in the vehicle? With the new law, we have to ask because some people are allowed to carry. Okay. What is this? Alright, yeah, get out of the car. Get out of the car. back. That's what the car's with. I'll stay with you until we get cars here. Everyone just don't reach around the car, please.
Listen, I just grabbed this purse out the house.
Okay.
You see, my
That was a
purse-
silly mistake, because you should know
my
it's in your
purse is
property.
My purse is the gold purse.
Okay.
This is my purse.
Any more guns in this car?
I didn't even know that was in here. Y'all can pop my trunk.
We're on board, said there was no guns in the car, and then I see a gun in her purse.
Ah, someone's a liar. So they're all getting pulled out.
Yes.
No, sir, I didn't know it was in here. Ugh.
Put your foot in.
Am I being arrested?
I mean, I asked you, you're required to tell me if you have a gun on you.
I'm
So
telling.
we'll figure it out here in a second, but as of now, you're being detained, yes.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I'm being 100% honest. I just came out the house to look for myself, to look for my dog. I'm supposed to be dropping the purse off to my sister.
What's your first and last name?
Gabrielle, G-A-B-R.
I can't hear you.
G-A-B-R-I-E-L-L-E.
Okay.
S-T-A. This is my last name. S-T-A-L-L-W-O-R-T-H.
And how old are you?
20.
Yeah.
It was like,
Was it slide back or?
No, I put it back to make sure it was empty. That's okay.
an off-brand Glock.
Yeah. But it was literally sitting in here like this.
I know. I looked
I
down, I
looked
saw
at
a
him like,
barrel on my
"Whoa."
face. I looked down at her
No,
purse and I
no
saw a barrel.
ammo magazine or
Nope.
anything?
Not that I've seen in here. That was, I just took it out. She also had this in there and that card.
Okay. The driver's 20. She's getting arrested she's a disqualified adult.
Yeah.
And she lied. Failure to
And she lied.
disclose.
So we have the car.
Yeah, the car's ours.
Shut the door.
For an impound.
Traffic moving to C-Team. Can we confirm the suspect, Alvin, is our principal?
Miss Gabrielle Stallworth was arrested and charged with improper handling of a firearm, a felony of the 4th degree. In court, she was able to plead to a misdemeanor count of improper handling and was sentenced to 2 days in jail with credit for time served.